Y'all, I'm so motivated right now. I can literally feel the adrenaline running through my veins right now. I just saw Al Sharpton take 100+ people into a Costco in Harlem, New York, to show that the black dollar is still powerful in the United States, and that our voices do matter. Um, I what I really want to say is, let's not go anywhere that we're not wanted. Let's not go anywhere that we're not valued. I'm making me a Costco membership soon. Soon, if not today. I'm making one as soon as I possibly can, because I don't want to shop anywhere where my voice isn't valued, where the simple thought of me is so minuscule that they'll put out a statement saying that I don't matter to my face. So I say let's do it. I saw some people in the comments saying that they were doing it in Greensboro, South Carolina. I can only imagine that other Costco's around the nation are seeing an influx of people. And I'm sure it's not just black people, but black people, let's stand up. Let's for real stand up.
I don't know if y'all heard, but Target shareholders who have stock in Target are suing Target because they failed to tell them that when they pulled back their DEI initiatives, it would cause a boycott and they would lose a significant amount of money. I just wanted to remind y'all of the power of holding back the black dollar. I just wanted to remind y'all. And what's more ironic about this is that the same people that they were trying to impress by pulling back the DEI initiatives are the same ones that are suing them. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy when you think about it, because at the end of the day, people care about the dollar. If it don't make money, it don't make sense. So y'all thought y'all ate following Donald Trump. He promised y'all he was going to fix the economy. Are y'all good? Is y'all cool? And if I find out that any of y'all is still shopping at Target on a low, it's up. It's up when I see you, because I be needing stuff from there. But we boycott. I'm not playing.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Right, so guys, COSTCO has earned good graces with black Americans, and this is because they simply decided to stand on what was right, and they decided they wouldn't roll back the DEI programs.
Right, and you know, when black Americans say that they're going to be holding back their black dollar, right now we are getting to see the true impact of these statements,
and
right?
How impactful it is when black Americans deny you their business.
Right.
So imagine guys, it has gotten to a point where they've successfully managed to impact companies like Target and Walmart.
Right.
And right now we are seeing, we thought Trump had his way, but companies are choosing what is bigger and what is more important to them.
Yeah, right now the Target shareholders are running and panicking. We've heard that there is a rumor that the shareholders are suing the company itself because they didn't advise them on the effects of rolling back the DEI program.
Right.
But that being said, guys, let's watch these videos we've prepared for you today, and then we come back and talk about it. You can also leave us a comment on what you think about this episode. Also consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. Let's watch and then we come back and talk about it.
So if y'all haven't heard, Target has changed their mind, guys. I don't know if you guys have read the article that just came out, but now they are going to start back with pretty much the DEI. But because remember, you guys, they were the ones who came out and said that they were ending their DEI program when no one even asked them. You know, they just came out, wanted to share that information. I guess they were so excited and proud that they would no longer have to abide by that. But since as of today, they have changed their mind. So I guess by us not supporting them, guys, I guess it was really starting to hurt their pockets, and they realized that they needed us more than we really needed them. And so again, if you haven't read that article, do go ahead and Google it and search it. But let me know, guys, does this mean that we can start back going to Target? Are you guys going to start back going to Target? Or y'all going to hold off a little bit longer? Let me know. Let me know what I should do, because I don't know. I don't want to show up there and I'm not supposed to be in there, okay? But let me know how we are all going to handle this now, okay?
Here's an update from Target. Ever since they rolled back their DEI initiatives, their stock is collapsing. This goes to show that we have the influence, we have the power, and our voices will always be heard. If these companies continue to not support diversity, we'll hit them where it hurts, in their pockets. But what are your thoughts?
And I just want to say this real quick to everybody that is supporting Costco in the midst of this DEI rollback and choosing not to go to Walmart. Don't you get up in the store acting mad because you in a long line, okay? I want y'all to act right, act correct, be patient, wait your turn. They are probably not prepared for all of the influx of customers that are in there. Don't be trying to get an attitude. Don't be looking for nothing to be overly above and whatever. They have to get adjusted to you all coming up in that store. So I'm letting y'all know up front before y'all stick out in the back. Don't get up in them people's store acting like y'all ain't got no sense. All right? I just want to come and say that. Thank you.
I'm out running errands again, guys. And of course, I am getting ready to go in Costco, as you can see behind me. And I don't even have anything that I even need to buy from Costco. I'm just going in just because I just want to support them. So I'll find something to buy. Maybe I'll get like a rotisserie chicken or something. And then I need to get gas for the week as well. So I think I'll fill up at their pump as well. But like I said, I just want to support them. I'm going to go in there, hang out for a little bit. I'm staying there as long as I can. I know Costco is always busy here. I just actually finished buying groceries, and I actually bought my groceries at this store that we have here in Texas called Winco. And I think they are employee owned. So I'm assuming that they're not part of have anything to do with the DEI. I'm not really sure. I don't think they do. They are probably participating, if anything. But I am getting ready to go into Costco, hang out, because that's all I'm going to really be doing. Because again, I've already gotten all my groceries. I have pretty much everything that I need. But I just want to go in there and hang out and support them, okay? Let me know what stores y'all are going to today, or what stores you guys went to this weekend. Did y'all go to Walmart? Did y'all go to Target? I just want to know. Let me know what grocery stores y'all went to this weekend, guys. See you later. Have a good day.
All day, every day, therapist, mother, maid,
Friend, I heard we all shopping at Costco now. So here's a little beginner's guide.
Now listen, do not come over here embarrassing me. We don't even play like that here at Costco. Hey, how's it going?
See, as you just seen, we don't even play at the door. You do have to swipe your membership card to get in. And the membership is only $50 a year. I feel like that honestly pay for itself almost on the first trip. But it honestly calms down once you get in the store. Now, this is the electronics area. I like buying my big purchases here because, baby, their return policy is everything. And they usually come with, like, some type of included warranty. Now, baby, this middle area is usually just a free fall. I'm gonna be honest, you can find some of everything right in this middle. Ooh, they got the Britas on sale. I low-key been feeling like I need one. But they also have all of your home goods or home needs all through these different aisles. We made it to the adult section, friend, and I low-key want to gatekeep this because, baby, I know how y'all get down, but look at these prices. A fifth of Don Julio is only $35. They also got the Repo. I know this got y'all in the chokehold real bad, and it's only $36. I'm gonna get one of these because, honestly, it also got me in the chokehold. Oh, I ain't never seen this. It might be new, friend. I'm definitely grabbing one. This is a peach Bellini. To the food. We got produce and everything at Costco, but I don't go too crazy here. It's only me, but if you got kids and stuff, this is gonna be perfect. Now, see, with the meats, you either want to do how I do and get like my chicken breasts or chicken wings over there, or you can grab fun stuff for like parties and stuff. They do got all these different options. To the star of the show, aka the $5 rotisserie chicken. It's the reason why we all running over here, friend. This is my Costco must. And you see all this right here? I call it the I can't cook section because you grab anything out of here, like this mac and cheese, throw it in the oven, and kaboom bam. You got you a tasty little situation. Or if you don't want to cook, let me say that, you can also grab this and make, something quick and easy. And who got time to be running out of toilet paper? I always get this. It's 30 rolls for $20.99. And it's some good quality tissue. It is. But somehow I still run out of paper towels. And I only grab this, 12 rolls for $21.99. Oh, but wait, I can't forget about the household stuff. I'll also buy all of this from here. So soap lasts forever, toothpaste, I think that's what that is. You get everything from your lotion. Y'all know meat and a frozen section go together real bad. And I've been shopping here, so if you want to know what to grab out of here, just Go and watch some of my old videos. They got some good stuff though. They do. Yeah, friend, that's pretty much the store. I told you this is a little beginner's guide, so I just wanted to kick you off with my staples. Let me know what you think though, and all the must-grabs that you start picking up. And I'm gonna call you back in a bit. I love you, bye.
Since Target no longer wants to support diversity publicly, here's some companies that should garner our support. You definitely want to screenshot this and save this for later, but these are the companies that are committed to the DEI initiatives. Of course, we already know COSTCO is standing on big business. We have companies like Kroger, we have Macy's, we have Ulta, we have TJ Maxx. So for those that feel like they don't have any options or alternatives, look at this. And remember this one important thing. You should always support those that see value within you. What are your thoughts?
And this is why I say Costco will always have my money. Costco defends its diversity, equity, and inclusion policies amid pressures to scale them back. Our commitment to an enterprise rooted in respect and inclusion is appropriate and necessary. Yes, Costco!
Shopping for justice.
So guys, let us know what you think about the videos we just played here. But personally, I would say I feel like Black Americans are getting somewhere because they finally gotten Target to realize where they were going wrong. You know, at the end of the day, even if the president wants to do whatever he's doing and he tells you do this, at the end of the day, you have to remember who puts money in your pocket, you know.
And most of the time, maybe even the president himself doesn't shop in this local...
Not even maybe,
he don't know what he does or doesn't do in his free time, you know. So moving on, you know, when first I started hearing of how Black Americans had successfully boycotted a bus company back in 1955 so that segregation could end, and because of that the bus company ended segregation because at the end of the day they needed the money more than they needed the races to stay separate. Today is when I understand how that impacted them during those days. Because right now a lot of people usually don't understand the common phrase that if you want to hurt someone, hurt them through their pockets. And I feel like if Africans could apply this this tactic, instead of, not everything requires demonstration, like physical demonstration, because here in Africa police can get brutal and many people lose their lives during this protest. If Africans could learn a thing or two and go for where the pain will be most felt, I feel like also Africans would be able to achieve a lot, because at the end of the day it doesn't matter the billionaire that's coming to invest in Africa. What matters is the common Africans are the consumers of these products, you know. And like for example here in Kenya, a lot of these big owned businesses are not only corporations of pound people from abroad, but it's also corporations co-owned by some politicians. So in short, what I'm trying to say is I think we have seen a good effect and example of how to handle business, you know?
And now that you've mentioned it, they say support to support you. Exactly, right?
Go where you are wanted, don't go where you're not wanted.
Right. And I feel like right now Costco is enjoying the benefits of the decisions they decided to make, because it could have been easier for them to just do what the majority were doing. Target, Amazon, Walmart, and the other companies. companies. You know, it would have been easier for them to just fall in line with the program, but they decided to not to, because they understood who was there, who was benefiting them the most. You understand? They gave the power to the people. You know?
Right. And I actually feel like, I don't know if you'll agree with me on this. I don't know how many of you will agree with me on this. I feel like black people have unity when it comes to certain things, and whatever is happening in COSTCO and Target right now, I do feel like black people have had a big influence in where people go to shop, even other races, not only black people. And if you look at it very well, I don't believe that only black people have stopped going to Target and have started going to COSTCO. You might find even some palm-colored people, the ones who didn't favor or agree with these policies, you might find a few Latinos, regardless of where their hearts were when they were voting. I think black people have influenced them, because you know, when you have bad feelings with a company, there's no way you'll go to shop there after they've played you dirty.
Right.
And it starts with one person speaking up and bringing to your attention the existence of an injustice happening, and the rest will follow where this other person will go.
Right. Guys, I know by now all of you have seen the case of the black American lady who went to Pakistan. And you know, my sister was just telling me how she saw a video on TikTok, and they were talking about how much as everything is happening with her, she's a symbol of something. The fact that she went to Pakistan, a black woman,
safe, and the Pakistanis treated her well, and they're an Islamic nation. And right now the update is that she's getting ready to go back to America. I don't know if she's there yet, but the government paid her.
And now they were saying India now is beginning to look like they'll have to look for black
influencers to go to India.
Right, to go to India and showcase the positive side of India, so that Pakistan doesn't get all the tourism from black people. And why are we mentioning this in the middle of all this? Is to show the power of the black dollar, right?
We are not saying that black people are the only people who make the world go round, by no means. But what you're trying to say is, today we have seen the impact of them coming together and making one decision as a unit and saying, let's go this way instead of this way, you know. So I think my parting words.
Before you say your parting words, I wanted to talk about another company. And a lot of people have been talking about iPhone, and you know, we know how iPhone right now is managing to stay in existence, and a lot of people have been talking about, you know, let's do that thing to iPhone, let's just not buy it at all, you know. And I'm like, yeah, that's an option, and if people wanted, I feel like the impact would have been felt. But also,
although the impact has kind of been felt, right now people are not buying it as much as they used to, especially Americans were the biggest market, and right now I think Africa is beginning to look like it will be the biggest market, because right now I don't know how many of my friends are buying iPhones, and I'm like, anyway, to each their own, but know what you're buying and know why you're buying it.
And unfortunately, there's someone who's suffering because of that. There's someone who's suffering because of that, and that is Congo, you know. So I think we're going to be leaving it there, guys. You wanted to say your last parting shot?
Anyway, at the end of the day, I think my parting shot will be, whatever any group does, you know that if you feel like you're dissatisfied with your government and it is not producing the results that you as a citizen chose the government to do, I feel like right now you have a roadmap. You just hold back your money so that they can get in line and everybody can benefit.
Right. It takes participation and understanding. It takes two parties, the one offering the service and the one buying the service. If you feel like in the process you're getting disrespected and you're not being valued, then you should hold back whatever it is, the value you're giving towards that specific state organization, right?
Yeah, so that at least they can reach to a point where they also are willing to compromise. If they're not willing to accept your terms, what are the least ones they can compromise so that you all can meet in a level table?
Right. Guys, I think that is all from us, and we want to thank you so much as usual for joining us on this episode. Let's catch you on our next. Consider subscribing if it's your first time here, and also remember to let us know what you think about this video in the comment section, right? We'll see you on our next episode.